The DAMNISS electric wood pellet grill combines an electric ignition system with wood pellet fuel to deliver steady, flavorful heat that feels close to a traditional offset smoker, but with far less babysitting. Its smart PID controller holds temperatures from low smoking to hot grilling with impressive stability, so long cooks like brisket or ribs come out consistent from end to end. The generous 456 square inch cooking area, split across main and upper racks, comfortably handles family-sized cooks with room for both meats and sides at the same time. Stainless steel construction, a reinforced lid, and heavy cast iron grates give this grill a solid, weather-ready feel that should stand up well to frequent outdoor use. Cleanup is noticeably easier than many pellet units thanks to the built-in ash management, removable grease tray, and automatic shutdown that helps keep the interior from becoming a mess. Thoughtful touches like the included meat probe, rolling wheels, and pull-out pellet storage make this grill convenient for regular backyard use and a practical gift for anyone setting up a new outdoor space.